Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to unlink your EA account from Steam if you do not have access to your email. Go to help.ea.com in your browser. In the top left corner, click on the Help by Topic button and select EA account. Now, scroll down to the bottom and click on Contact Us. Now, explain your problem to them. You can upload a file, but that is optional. After writing your issue, click on the Submit button. You will get an option to contact an agent. When the advisor connects, explain that your Steam account is linked to an EA account, but you no longer have access to the email. Tell them you need the account unlinked so you can connect a new one. They will ask you to confirm your identity. Be ready to share details such as your name, billing information if you made purchases, or proof of your Steam account. After the process is complete, you will receive a confirmation. The next time you open an EA game through Steam, you can link it to a new EA account. That is how to unlink your EA account from Steam without access to your email. Thanks for watching.